the question ax square plus by square plus z square is equal to 1. So we just call this one as a equation 1. So you have to write once again this question. You have to start the solution by writing let ax square plus by square plus z square is equal to 1. Call this equation as a equation 1. Now, actually we are doing z with respect to x and z with respect to y. So I rewrite this equation as z square is equal to 1 minus ax square minus by square. Shift these two terms to the right side. So it becomes z square is equal to 1 minus ax square minus by square. I call this one as a equation 2. Now, differentiate partially equation 2 with respect to x. Differentiate partially equation 2 with respect to x. What is the differentiation of the z square? What is the differentiation? Partially differentiation of the z square.
2z.
Yes, 2z with respect to x we are doing partially means we have to write dou z by dou x. That is equal to, in the right side, what is the differentiation of minus ax square? I write this minus as it is, a also as it is. What is the differentiation of x square partially?
2x more.
Yes, very good. 2x. Now, 2 will get cancelled. I write this z as it is. According to our notation, dou z by dou x. For that term, we have to write in terms of p. In terms of p. Here, minus ax I will write as it is. We have to eliminate the constant. So, rewrite the equation in terms of a is equal to minus zp divided by x. Minus zp divided by x. Call this one as a equation 3. Same thing, differentiate partially equation 2. Equation 2 with respect to y. With respect to y. Again, z square with respect to y means 2z. Don't forget to write dou z by dou y. That is equal to minus b I will write as it is. Y square means 2y. So 2 will get cancelled. Again, dou z by dou y. In the notation form, we can write it as a q. Zq is equal to minus b into y. We want to eliminate the constant term, so I rewrite the equation in the form b is equal to minus zq divided by y. Call this one as a equation 4. Now, substitute equation 3 and 4 in equation 1. Substitute equation 3 and 4 in equation 2. You can substitute either in equation 1 or equation 2. But in terms of z square we have written, we can substitute in the equation 2. So z square is equal to 1 minus a value. What is our a value? Minus zp divided by x into x square I will write as it is, minus again b value minus zq divided by y whole into y square. X y will get cancelled. Z square is equal to 1 minus into minus plus, here zpx plus zqy. So we can write z square minus 1 is equal to, take out z as a common, so you can write px plus qy is the required partial differential equation. Here z is equal to a into log of x square plus y square plus b. So here also we have to use the same method. Let us call this equation as equation 1. Please you write in your notebook. First you write the question, then you have to start with let z is equal to. Don't write directly. Write the question first, then while writing the solution, mention let z is equal to a into log of x square plus y square plus b. Now, differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x. With respect to x. So again, differentiation of z with respect to x is dou z by dou x is equal to a into, yes, what is the differentiation of the log of x square plus y square with respect to x partially? Differentiation of log x. In general, I am asking. Yes.
1 by x square
Yes,
square
very
into
good.
2x.
Yes. Differentiation of log x in general is 1 by x. So in the place of x, we have x square plus y square. So here let us start write 1 divided by x square plus y square. Then differentiation of this x square is into 2x plus constant term in differentiation is 0. So according to the notation, dou z by dou x is equal to p. Here 2ax divided by x square plus y square. Now differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y. Here also dou z by dou y is equal to a into differentiation of log of x square plus y square with respect to y partially means 1 divided by x square plus y square. Then differentiation of this y square is 2y plus differentiation of b is 0. So by notation we have to write dou z by dou y is q. Q is equal to 2ay divided by x square plus y square. Here we can't substitute in the place of a because we have to eliminate b. So what we have to do means I call this one as a equation 2 and this one as a equation 3. So in that case we have to divide. We have to divide equation 2 by 3. We have to divide equation 2 by 3. So what is our equation 2? P is equal to 2ax divided by x square plus y square. So equation 2 divided by equation 3. So P by Q is equal to 2ay divided by x square plus y square. X square plus y square will get cancelled. 2a will get cancelled. Remaining will be p by q is equal to x by y. Cross multiply. Cross multiply. Py is equal to qx or py minus qx is equal to 0 is the required partial differential equation. Yes. Write this next question. X square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square plus z square divided by c square is equal to 1. Here also, as I mentioned, first to write this question. While starting the solution, write here let x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square is equal to 1. Call this one as a equation 1. The next line, differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x. So here with respect to x means this term and this term we have to do partially differentiation. So differentiation of x square is 2x divided by, I write a square as it is, plus partially z with respect to x we are doing means 2z, and differentiation of this z partially means dou z by dou x whole divided by c square is equal to 0. Y square by b square, that is a constant term, so we will write directly as a 0. Now 2ax divided by a square plus 2z, again from the notation dou z by dou x is p divided by c square is equal to 0. Now I just divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. So divide by 2 both sides. So we get x by a square plus zp divided by c square is equal to 0. I call this one as a equation 2. Now differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y. While doing with respect to y square by b square and z square by c square we have to consider. So y square differentiation partially means 2y divided by b square plus differentiation partially z square is 2z and z differentiation is dou z by dou y whole divided by c square is equal to 0, because x square by a square is a constant term, so we can put 0. Now here also divide both sides by 2, and here I write y divided by b square plus, when you divide by 2, 2 will get cancelled. Z I will write as it is. From the notation dou z by dou y is q divided by c square is equal to 0. Let us call this one as a equation 3. Equation 3. From this also we have left out with constants. In the equation 2 we are left out with a square and c square, and in the equation 3 we left out with a b square and c square. So what we have to do, once again we have to differentiate equation 2 partially with respect to x. With respect to x. So here what we get, differentiation of x is 1 divided by a square I will write as it is, plus p by c square is a constant, I write as it is. So here what we have to do, yes, here wait a minute, yes, here one more thing I want to mention. Just I will scratch this one, because you people will get confusion if I write directly. So I take this step. See this step carefully. I take this step. What I will do, I will divide this term by 2. So what I will get here, x by a square plus z into dou z by dou x whole divided by c square is equal to 0. So I differentiate partially this equation. So differentiate partially with respect to x. So you get confusion that how you will get the values. So differentiate partially with respect to x. Which term? This equation I am differentiating with respect to x. So what we have to write? Differentiation of x partially is 1 divided by a square plus, here 1 by c square I will write outside. So here z and dou z by dou x, two terms are there. So we have to apply the product rule. So first I write differentiation of the z, that is dou z by dou x. So one more dou z by dou x I will write as it is. This term I will write as it is, plus z I will write as it is. Dou z by dou x, partially differentiation means dou by dou x into dou z by dou x whole into 0. Yes, any doubt in this step? Because if I write directly from the equation 2, you will consider p is also a constant term. But for p, we had given a name by the notation, that is dou z by dou x. That's why I considered this step once again. Is any doubt in this step? Is any doubt? Any doubt in the
No, ma'am.
product rule? Yes, while writing the second time differentiation, don't consider the notation step. If you are considering the notation step, please mention what is your P, what is your R, and what is your S. All Q also we have to mention. So here what happens, 1 by A square plus 1 by C square. Now we can mention this dou z by dou x. According to our notation, this is P. So P into P, this will become P square plus Z into, here dou square Z divided by dou x square. So we can write this one as a, we can write dou square Z by dou x square as a R. According, if you see the notation step, you will get, we can write dou square z by dou x square as a r. I call this equation as a equation 4. Now, for x square by a square, from equation 2, what is our equation 2? X by a square. So, I write here, from equation 2, x by a square is equal to minus z into p divided by c square, minus z into p divided by c square. Now what I will do, 1 by a square I will write as it is. I just transfer this x to the right side of the denominator. So minus zp divided by x into c square, minus zp x into c square. In the next line, yes, here I will write, in the next line, what we have to do, in the place of 1 by a square, I write this step, equation 4. Equation 4 I will use. So I just write using equation 4 in equation 2. So 1 by a square, if you shift to the right side, we get minus 1 by c square into p square plus zr is equal to minus zp divided by c into x square. Is here, wait a minute, c square into x. Here c square into x. So c square will get cancelled, minus minus will get cancelled, remaining will be zp is equal to p square, zp by x I will write, is equal to p square plus zr. So zp is equal to x into p square plus zr. They ask the equation in the form of partial differential equation. So we just mention what is our z, what is our p and r. So z into p means dou z by dou x is equal to x into, again dou z by dou x whole square plus z into our r. What is our r here? Dou square z divided by dou x square. Dou square z divided by dou x square is the required partial differential equation. Is the required partial differential equation. Next one, z is equal to xy plus y into root of x square minus a square plus b. So again write the solution by starting let z is equal to xy plus y into root of x square minus a square plus b. Call this one as a equation 1. So differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x. So z with respect to x means dou z by dou x is equal to, here differentiation of the x is 1, y is a constant term, I will write as it is, plus y. What is the differentiation of the root x? In general, what is the differentiation of the root x?
1 by 2 into root x, ma'am.
Yes, very good. 1 by 2 root x. But in the place of root x, we have here 2 into root of x square minus a square. Again, differentiation of this x square is 2x. Plus constant differentiation is 0. 2 will get cancelled. So dou z by dou x, write it as a p is equal to y plus xy divided by root of x square minus a square. Call this one as a equation 2. Now differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y. So again dou z by dou y is equal to, I'll write x as it is, differentiation of y is 1 plus here root of x square minus a square is a constant term, differentiation of y is 1 plus differentiation of b is 0. So q is equal to x plus root of x square minus a square. Call this one as a equation 3. So what we can write from the equation 3, we can write it as a q minus x is equal to root of a square minus x square minus a square. Why I have taken from the equation 3 means from the equation 2 we have root of x square minus a square. In that a square is a constant term. To eliminate this a square, we have to rewrite the equation 3 as a q minus x. So after writing this, I call this one as equation 4. Using equation 4 in equation 2. Using equation 4 in equation 2. So P is equal to y plus xy divided by, in the place of x square minus a square, we can write q minus x. As we want in terms of partial differential equation, I shift this y to the left side. So p minus y is equal to xy divided by qx. So again p minus y into q minus x is equal to xy. So when you multiply here pq minus px minus qy minus into minus plus xy is equal to xy. xy will get cancelled. pq is equal to px plus qy. This is the required partial differential equation. The partial differential equation of the family of all spheres spheres whose centers lie on the plane z is equal to 0 and have a constant radius r. Yes, this is the question. So here they asked whose center lies on the plane z is equal to 0. So let us start the solution. The coordinates of the center of the sphere can be taken as a comma b and z they have given 0, where a and b are arbitrary. And r they have given a constant radius. So we can write r is a constant radius. So after writing this, we know the equation of the sphere. The equation of the sphere is x minus a whole square y minus b whole square plus z minus, in the place of c they have given whose center lie on the plane z is equal to 0. So z minus c, here c value is 0, whole square is equal to r square. Next, x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z square is equal to r square. Let us call this one as a equation 1. Now in the equation 1, as we are eliminating the constant, so here we are finding out the constants that are a and b. So we have to eliminate this a and b. So what we have to do? Differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x. So differentiation is 2 into x minus a. Differentiation of x is 1 plus differentiation of z square with respect to x 2z, and this z differentiation is dou z by dou x. R is a constant, so it will become 0. Divide the equation by 2. So x minus a plus z into p is equal to 0. So I write x minus a is equal to minus zp. I shift this plus zp to the right side. So again, differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y. So here 2 into y minus b plus, see in the equation 1, into 2z into dou z by dou y is equal to 0. I divide this equation by 2. So we get y minus b plus z into dou z by dou y, value is q, that is equal to 0. As we have to eliminate, so I will write y minus b is equal to minus zq. I call this one as a equation 2 and this one as a equation 3. Equation 2 and 3 we can write in the equation 1. So I just write substitute equation 2 and equation 3 in equation 1. So minus zp whole square plus minus zq whole square plus z square is equal to r square. So minus into minus plus. So in all the three terms, we can see z square, z square, z square as a common. So I take out remaining terms. If I take z square from the first term, remaining will be p square. If I take z square as a common term, in the second one, remaining will be a q square. In the last one, 1 is equal to r square is the required partial differential equation. Form the PDE. Form the PDE by eliminating the arbitrary functions. Till now we have done with the arbitrary constants. Now we are doing with the arbitrary functions. So functions means they will define z is equal to f of x square plus a square. Function means it will be in the form f or phi or xi, like that type of functions. So here first let z is equal to f of x square plus y square. Call this one as a equation 1. Here we have to eliminate the function f. So what we have to do, differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x. So differentiation of z with respect to x is dou z by dou x, that is equal to differentiation of f of x square plus y square is f dash of x square plus y square. As we are doing the partial differentiation with respect to x, x square differentiation is 2x. We can write like this. So p is equal to f dash of x square plus y square into 2x. Call this one as a equation 2. Now differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y. So dou z by dou y is equal to f dash of x square plus y square. Differentiation of y square is 2y. So dou z by dou y is q is equal to f dash of x square plus y square into 2y. Call this one as a equation 3. Now we can't substitute in the equation 1 because after doing the differentiation we got f dash. So we have to eliminate the function. So what we have to do, divide equation 2 by equation 3. So equation 2 is p is equal to f dash of x square plus y square into 2x divided by equation 3 q. Here f dash of x square plus y square into 2y. So f dash of x square plus y square get cancelled. 2 will also get cancelled. Remaining will be p by q is equal to x by y. Cross multiply, py is equal to qx, or py minus qx is equal to 0. This is the required partial differential equation.